Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the Bandit Octopus and fish it to complete the Desert Cactus Rod Skin quest. So in this newest update, you can get a free Desert Cactus Rod Skin, but to unlock it, you need to catch Bandit Octopus and upload the horse first. So if you are looking for the Bandit Octopus, here's how to get it. You can just catch this Bandit Octopus in this island, new island, and fish it the Copper Canyon like this. And this fish, it will look like this. It's a legendary fish. It's a legendary fish. This one. So I recommend using your best rod available. At least you can use something like Gospin rod maybe, but stronger rods will make the process easier. Then you can also increase your chance by using luck totems and luck potions to boost your weight and speed up the grinding. And this is what the Bandit Octopus looks like. It will look like this. Like this, you can see it. It looks like this. It's a really cool design with bandit accessories like this. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.